Hey guys, dtad here, back with another video. So today I was like, I haven't done Animal Jam in ages. All I do is go on my backups and trade. And I was like, what can I do for fun in Animal Jam? So I was thinking to myself, why don't I get an Animal Jam boyfriend using the wiki? Because that's what everyone does apparently. So yeah, Julian too did a lot of stuff with the wiki ages ago, so I'm not copying him, I thought it would be fun to try it. So, yes, also before anyone says this is ironic, I don't actually want an Animal Jam boyfriend, but hey, I have nothing better to do with my life at the moment, so we're going to get an Animal Jam boyfriend. So yeah, first of all, preparing your. I love that title. Choose an animal. Purchase an animal that shows off your style along with a name. For example, if you're girly, don't choose a crocodile named Mid Spiky. Instead, you may choose a snow leopard named Happy Kawaii Jam. Your animal doesn't have to cost diamonds. As long as you're being yourself, your boyfriend won't mind your animal choice. Okay, so I'm sticking with my wolf because yeah, I'm not buying another animal, and also I'm non-member at this time. So yeah, dress up. Boys have an interest in partners who dress up with meaning and look like they're ready to have fun. Try wearing a white crossbow and sparkly earrings, or maybe a baseball cap with matching tail armor. Whatever you do, show off your personal style. Be yourself when dressing. If you enjoy dark outfits, don't wear bright pink to impress a boy. Instead, wear fancy clothes in the same colour that you enjoy. So, first of all, that's very odd items. I don't know why they would list only those. But, yeah, let's try and make the hottest outfit I possibly can in Animal Jam. I don't have a lot in my inventory. Okay, goodbye. Let's see. What is hot? I'm sorry, I have a lot to go through. Oh yeah, I completely forgot, I haven't showed like anyone my inventory in a while, but I've kind of been collecting for a while now. So yeah. No, I'm gonna stick with the Barrett, and then hopefully I don't do my main look again, otherwise it'd be a bit of a disaster. You know what, I think I'm gonna keep a wolf. I was gonna change to my penguin, but I really do think the wolf is a better option. So, yeah, let's just dress up. I have no idea what I'm putting on myself right now. I should probably change my colour scheme because, yeah, what do boys, apparently this is what I'm doing with myself right now. This is what I choose to do with my life, and I don't regret it. I honestly, I don't, but hey, we'll see what happens. I probably shouldn't wear my wall again, otherwise I'm just gonna get into the same outfit. Let's see. You know what, let's just do this. I have no other ideas whatsoever. This should be fine. Okay, let's see what's next. Be true to your personality. If you don't have an exact personality, just dress up how you like, but don't act fake, because if you end up in a relationship by faking, it may get too tiring and you won't feel happy around your boyfriend. Okay. Wow, this wiki is just so serious. Oh my god, no, I'm gonna have to do this, aren't I? Shout out in Jamar Township, say, if you like me, say hey, or go up to someone and say hello, maybe start a conversation. This will make people that are interested in you say hey. You may get a few people to say hey, so you have Oh my god, so you have a few to choose from. If your conversation goes well, you can become friends or even a couple. Great. So, time to publicly embarrass myself. Great, there's no one here. Time to publicly embarrass myself in the most popular server. Great, there's a lot of people here. Oh god, why did I click on that? I have to do this. Great. And my entire YouTube career is over. No one's going to like me because I'm a non-member wolf, and yeah, people don't want to like a non-member wolf with absolutely no style. I mean, look at this. Okay, great. See, everyone hates me. Do they have a next step? Or to go to your den? Well, I don't have anyone that says hey. So you know what? I'm gonna use my initiative and go into the pillow room. There's like no one here, and I'm pretty sure all these people are women. Oh well, okay. I just kinda wanna type, I'm doing this for a video. I want to assure people that I'm not clinically insane on Animal Jam, but hey, I just need to keep embarrassing myself apparently. So yeah. I'm just gonna put friend. I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh my god. I have no idea what to do. Well, okay, everyone hates me. We're going back outside and trying in the big world. You know what? I'm just gonna visit random people's den. We're going to go rogue from here. You know what? Let's go to this random pool. What else does it actually say? Okay, so tell the people that you said hey, go to your den. I've missed that step. Set up a quiz if you have to choose. Ask questions like what is your favourite hobby, what do you do in your free time, or what do you like. Well, I only have one person, and yeah, that's pointless. So you know what? Let's go for it. Hello. This is my life now. Yep. Please love me. Please don't abandon me. I want to. Oh god. Okay. Well, apparently I'm going to get a girlfriend instead. Nope, I'm not going to get a girlfriend. You know what? I'm gonna buddy them and explain after that it was for a video because they're not going to buddy me. Yep, I'm the den spot. Oh well. Let's go to another person's den. Let's try and find a male this time. I'm pretty sure that's a female. I'm pretty sure the majority of people here are also female. Okay, let's go to a different server. Oh god, this is like actually stressful. This video is already 8 minutes in. I've tried to follow the wiki as close as possible, and yet I still haven't found a suitable partner. What should I ever do with my life? Oh, this looks like a male, but his den's locked. We're gonna have to buddy him. I hope it's a male. I don't know. He's my buddy, or she. Oh my god, the den's locked. You know what? Let's invite him to my den. Let's be nice. I'll send him a compliment as well because you know I'm trying to pull over here. I really like your outfit. Sure, let's go with that. Hopefully he comes to my den and just doesn't think I'm a random creep. So I'm acting like a creep right now, if you guys don't know. Okay, how about this? Well, it literally says girl in the den, so let's do that. But the other guy isn't coming to my den. Right. You know what? Let's find someone else. How about Mighty Glass Cloud? I'm pretty sure this is a female as well. Yeah, but it could work. I'll just tell them to go to my den as well. That person up there just doesn't care about me. They're just lying up there. They don't care if I ask them to come to my den. Oh well. How about this person? This is an absolute disaster of a video, and I really apologize. And now there's 2 people in my den. You know what? I'm gonna lock. Oh, no, mind the falcon. Okay, let's try and be smooth about this. Gotta be in the game. Let's do the quiz thing that they said in the wiki, but let's just ask them questions. Gotta be real smooth. Gotta make sure they like my outfit. Yes, we're in. This is the part where they will most likely unbuddy me and leave out of my den. Oh, never mind. I think we have successfully got a boyfriend. But hey, we don't know yet. I don't even know if this is a wow in the chat. So I put a 1 there and hopefully it works. So yeah, what does it actually say next? We found someone. Okay, work hard. Don't give up if you can't find a boyfriend after 20 or 30 minutes. Well, so far, according to my video timer, it's been 12 minutes 4. So, okay, stay calm and be confident. Great. Gonna stay calm, be confident, but don't let it get into your head. Force yourself to say the word. Don't mumble on purpose. I'm not sure how you can mumble in Animal Jam, but hey, we have successfully found a boyfriend. So now what do? Great. We have to buddy him. We've already done that. Be happy with him. You can plan a marriage ceremony. Oh yay. Okay, well let's get married. Okay. This video is getting way too long. You know what? I will marry him another day because yeah, I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video. I never thought I would be saying this, but I am going to marry my Animal Jam boyfriend and we're gonna have a giant ceremony. And yeah, he started as well. Oh my god. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this absolutely atrocious video, and yeah, leave down in the comments whether you're jealous of my Animal Jam boyfriend, because hey, I have an Animal Jam boyfriend if you guys don't. So yeah, anyway, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next. Bye guys.